Hi, Jack here from Ontrack. In this video, I'll be running through Ontrack Power Controls for eDiscovery Collection. For enterprises that have on-premise Exchange and/or legacy Exchange backups, Ontrack Power Controls is easy to use, cost-effective, and secure. It is also a defensible solution for eDiscovery Collection. Let's take a closer look and see how.
Ontrack Power Controls can be run on any Windows workstation or server with access to Exchange backups. Select the source EDB from which you want to collect mailboxes, which is typically a backup of an EDB or a live Exchange server. Your Active Directory credentials determine your access here. There is no need to restore the entire backup or set up another Exchange server. Next, use a search wizard to build targeted searches for eDiscovery Collection. Find the mailboxes of target custodians and filter on the date range. If needed, you can export a list of all available mailboxes. Other filtering, which is much more powerful and precise, is available when needed. The drag and drop user interface is ideal for the legal user when compared to PowerShell scripting. You can then export to a PST. If the PST is large, split it into multiple PSTs to save processing time and improve reliability. Ontrack Power Controls does not change metadata, making it forensically sound, unlike native Exchange.
Achieve significant efficiencies and cost savings with Ontrack Power Controls by collecting and exporting only the PSTs and date ranges needed instead of the entire database. Ontrack is part of eDiscovery, a top provider of eDiscovery solutions. We offer Nebula Big Data Store, a centralized archive for email and other enterprise data for compliance in eDiscovery. When you do have a case, we provide a seamless path to processing through Nebula or Relativity hosting and managed review solutions. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or send us an email to marketing@ontrack.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.